Guys, it's damn dark. I really don't recommend coming at night. Hey guys, welcome back. So today, I'm actually around my housing area. We are going for a run today. Yeah, haven't been exercising in a while. So I hope to bring you guys with me along on my runs, and I would like to introduce you the scenic running views around Woodlands. But if you look at the sky, it's actually gonna rain. Oh my god. It's like it's gonna start raining anytime. So I'm just gonna try my best. I don't know. I plan to like bring you guys to like 2 to 3 different scenic attractions or running trails that you can consider as well. So hopefully we can do those few before it starts. So yeah, let's see. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, done with the warm-ups. Let's start running now before it rains.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Activity started.
Alright guys, we are 30 minutes into our run, and we kind of reached our first spot. We ran up Champions Way, which is the way to Singapore Sports School. We actually walked up this hill and we are walking across now. So far it hasn't started raining yet, and we are at our first stop. So let me show you this place. This is actually part of a very long park connector. This park connector is along the expressway. Yeah, you can see many cars zooming past. And it's actually called the Woodlands SLE Park Connector. Yeah, so we are here and this is the expressway, the SLE. How I found out about this place is whenever I take the 168, the bus service, it will come on the expressway, right? I always see this part of the park connector beside Singapore Sports School. Then I thought it would be quite cool to come here, and I know because there's no high rise around here, so you can actually feel a lot of the breeze and it can be quite a nice run actually. So yeah, so we're gonna explore this place for a bit and continue with the run later on. There is a small shelter here in case it rains. You can come here. I found that there's a water fountain you can use to fill water. Does it still work? Oh, it still works. Okay, I can feel the drizzle already. We're gonna start. So behind these bushes is the Singapore Sports School. If you cannot tell, the rain is very heavy already. Yeah, it's very heavy already. We almost reached our second stop. Second out of 3 stops. We cannot press. We're gonna take a break under some shelter to see if we can continue, but I think not. So I don't know. Let's just try to reach our second stop first. Oh no! Why can't we go? Damn long at this red light. Okay, my action camera is experiencing water for the first time. Let's go. Okay, we made it under the shelter. Yeah, we're gonna take a break now, see how wet we are. We are currently in the premise of Republic Poly. Yeah. Hey, maybe your card can. So, just to give you an idea, we came from the SLE Woodlands Park there. We were supposed to go to Admiralty Park, which is actually just over there. But obviously there's no shelter there, so I think we better take a break here first. And this rain looks quite heavy. I don't know if we can continue. But we just see how lah, just take a rest. I think so. Oh. Yeah. Alright, just a little update. We are still at Republic Poly. The rain is too heavy. We cannot go anywhere. So, and I made the decision to bring out our EZ-Link cards in case it rains, and then we can take like a bus home or something. But we forgot to bring money to buy drinks.
I asked him whether we should, but he said don't need lah.
Yeah.
See?
Okay, then we saw this. Oh, 老人啊. So we saw this vending machine, and yeah, the vending machine actually accepted like QR code payment, which is amazing. So we got ourselves a drink while we try to wait out the rain and see where it leads us to. Hopefully we can continue.
Wow, that's so
Wow, nice eh. It's the peach oolong tea. Alright, the rain is significantly smaller already. I think we're gonna resume already. We are about 200 meters away from our second destination. We're gonna run there, then yeah, show you around and continue to our last under the rain. Yeah, let's go! We are in our second stop now at the Admiralty Park. It's also part of the park connector. I think Admiralty Park is famous for like their slides and all the new features. They recently refurbished this place. It's right beside Republic Poly actually. So this is one of the features you can see. It's a slide. You can slide up from right out there and come down. Yeah, which is pretty cool. Long time ago I came, there's a restaurant here called Sakura. It's a buffet style restaurant. So, which is right in front. I think they changed owner. So let's see what is it called now.
Garden.
Really? Yeah, it's called Show Garden. Very nice plants here. There's a small pond here. Oh, look at it. I think when dining resumes, you can have like a kind of like an alfresco dining here. I don't think you can see any footage on the camera because it's really dark. It's like 7. It's like 7:27 now and it's really dark. I think NParks is trying to keep this place natural. There's no street lamp at all.
No, as in if you look at the sky, it's still pretty bright. It's just that it's all covered with trees.
Yeah lor.
That's why it doesn't seem like there's much light in here.
If you come at night, maybe bring a torchlight.
Are you even on your torchlight?
Yeah, it doesn't look like, right?
Yeah. You shine on the floor?
Yeah, shining on the floor.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah. Guys, it's damn dark. I really don't recommend coming at night. How is he in the dark, sir? He's not coming towards us, right?
No, he's walking there.
There's somebody in front, but they're not using torchlight or anything. They might be very familiar with this place. Yeah. Just a little tip. If like you're still getting a bit light from the sky, right? Trust God and let Him do His things on your eyes. Because I realized for the last 10 minutes when we turned on our torch, I mean it helped in the near distance, but I couldn't see far. But now when we suddenly tried turning off our torch, right, you could see so much further. Oh yes! We made it, guys! Wow! Feels good to be back in civilization.
So we are not gonna go back there.
Guys, we are back in civilization. You can see my face again. Yeah, and we are approaching our third stop. You can see a lot of street lamps now. She was saying thank God for the couple in front there.
They were holding hands.
They were
just like waving through the darkness.
Yeah, they were leading us out of the darkness. So we arrived at our third and final stop of the day, Woodlands Waterfront. If you can see, this is a nice place, except that it's raining. A bit sad. I kind of like planned to reach here at night, like when it's dark and cooler, but I didn't expect it to be raining and this late. Now it's about 7:42 p.m, so slightly later than expected. Yeah, it's really dark, but they have a nice view here. Woodlands Waterfront being waterfront, it's all water, as you can see. Very beautiful. And if you're wondering, the city lights on the other side, that's JB in Malaysia. Yeah, we do miss JB. I'm sure JB miss us too. This is the jetty that we're gonna walk down. There is a restaurant in front which I went there to eat. It's amazing. This waterfront restaurant is Rasa Istimewa. It's on the Woodlands Waterfront restaurant. It's pretty good. Generally it's spicy, slightly salty, but I love it. I remember eating here a few years ago. So if you are here, you can come and try. We're just gonna continue walking. There are a lot of people fishing here. Alright, so that was the end of my scenic running views around Woodlands. I know it was a bit like hurried. We only like touch and go and did each spot. I mean, we started a bit late and towards the back the weather wasn't so good. And I believe all the spots that I went to, they are actually part of the park connector. So if you want, I believe they all link up and you know, you can do one big round, I don't know, round island tour or something. That's gonna be fun. Yeah, so it's almost 9 p.m. now. I'm going home for dinner. That's it for this vlog. See you in the next one. Bye bye.